For the question 2, let's say x is uniform in a to b and y equals to x squared. This is what we have. And the question A is that to find and draw fxx and big fxx. Yeah. So for this question, the first thing we should do is to write down this two function. The first function is fxx equal to, there has two possible answer. The first one is 1 divided b minus a when a smaller than x smaller than b, and the second one is 0 otherwise. And for big fx, we have three possible answers. The first answer is 0 when x smaller than a, and the second one is 1 divided b minus a multiple x plus 1 when a is smaller than x smaller than b, and the second one is 1 when x bigger than b. Yeah, so when we have this two function, we can draw the picture. For the fx, it's like this. fxx, and a is here and b is here. What we have is a straight line, and here is 1 minus b minus a. Yeah, and for the big fx, it's like this. Here is a, here is b, and here is 1. It's like a slope here and then go straight. Yeah, so this is for question A. And for question B, it says that, I need to change another paper. It says that now we given a equal to -1, b equals to 3, and now find fyy and big Fy, and also find ey. Yeah, it's more difficult. So for 0 smaller than y smaller than 1, there has two roots. That's y equal gx equal x squared, so that x equals to this. And for the fyy, we have fx x1, that g x1, plus fx x2, that g x2. And then we can calculate the answer is 1 divided 4 y. Yeah. So yeah, this is for in this condition. And when 1 is smaller than y, then 9 is smaller than 9, there is only one root, and this root is fyy equals to fx x dy gx. So we can have the answer is 1 divided 8 y. Yeah, so from this we can get fyy and big Fy. So fyy equals to when 0 smaller than y smaller than 1, and when 1 smaller than y smaller than 9, and equals to 0 when it's otherwise. And for big Fy, we have four possible results. It's like 0 when y smaller than 0, and this answer when 0 smaller than y smaller than 1. And also this answer, y smaller than y, 1 smaller than y than 9, and equals to 1 when 9 is smaller than y. Yeah, so now we have f of y and big f of y. So we need to draw the picture of this two function, and this two picture is like this for the fy y. Here it is 1 divided 4. Here is 1 divided 8. Here is 1 divided 72. And here is 1. Here is 9. Yeah, so what do we have? The first segment, it's not segment, it's the first part of this picture is like this. For this one, when 0 smaller than y smaller than 1, it's this, right? And for the 1 smaller than y smaller than 9, we have this. It's not connected. Yeah. And when y is bigger than 9, it's 0. So it's like this. Yeah. And for the big fx, big fy, y, we have here is 1 divided 2, here is 1, here is 9. Yeah, here is 1. Yeah, it's when y is smaller than 0, it's like this. It's equals to 0. And when 0 is smaller than y smaller than 1, it's like this, right? And when y is smaller than y and is smaller than 9, it's like this. And when y is bigger than 9, it's O equals to 1. Yeah, and for the uy, we need to do the, it's much easier if we have the function, because we just need to do the most simplest calculation like this. Yeah, when we calculate this equation, we can get an answer, which is 7 divided 3.